Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be doing a guitar review for this Breedlove stage concert guitar. I just picked it up yesterday. It's an awesome guitar. It's acoustic electric, so I'm pretty excited about that. So a little background on Breedlove. They're from Bend, Oregon. Okay, that's where their shop's at. That's where they're hand making guitars. They also make them in Korea, I believe, to cut down on cost. But a lot of these guitars are made by hand. So in 1990, guitar builders Larry Breedlove and Steve Henderson left Taylor Guitars. They've been there for a long time building guitars. Taylor's a very reputable company, and they wanted to start their own adventure. And this is what they've come up with: the Breedlove guitar. It's a beautiful guitar. I'm pretty excited about it. So I bought this used. It's pretty mid-range guitar. I think it's like $1,000 brand new. I got it for 500 bucks. I'm pretty excited about that. I've been kind of wanting a new acoustic guitar, and I've been playing a couple guitars. I'm still going to play a bunch of guitars. Guitar Center's got a lovely return policy, and you could play guitar for about 45 days. If you don't like it, you can take it back. Obviously, it's not going to take you 45 days to figure out whether you like it or not. So maybe a couple days. So anyway, getting right into this thing, you'll notice it has like the die-cast chrome-plated tuner knobs up front, and they're a little bit more narrow and smaller than most of the tuners, which is nice because you can get in there, get your fingers in there and tune quickly and easily without having the other knobs right next to it and taking up a lot of space. So it runs off a 9-volt battery. It has an LR Baggs electronics in here. Okay, so it has a presence controller, treble, mid-range, bass, and also you can flip the phase on this. It has a volume knob and it has a built-in tuner. So this thing is ready to be played on the stage, on the go. You could tune it. Just did a video on tuning your guitar the other day. If you have a built-in tuner in your guitar, you're always going to be in tune. So that's a very important thing to have. So I like this. I like where the strap mounts are, right here on the bottom of the neck and back here around where your guitar cord goes in, your 1/4 inch. So this is also right where the 9-volt battery goes in. So the neck of this guitar is made out of mahogany, and you also have rosewood on the fretboard as well. And they have some really beautiful designs going kind of like lacing around the borders of the top of this guitar and then around the sound hole as well. So it's a pretty decent sized guitar. It's not a mini, it's not a jumbo, it's pretty nice, it's comfortable. It's probably only about 5 inches thick. Sound hole is probably about 4.5 inches thick. It sounds really good. Cool function on the tuner is it lights up green when you're in tune on that note. So say this low E was out, it would be in the red, and it would tell you which direction to go, and as soon as you get there it turns green. So I thought that was pretty neat too. If you notice here on the bridge, the guitar strings just go straight through the back. Okay, there's no pins, so you don't have to take out a pin, keep track of it, put your string in there, and then put the pin back in there. I think that's a pretty nice function. You break a string, you could change it on the fly in the middle of the song, get back to playing before the song's even over. That's a pretty nice design right there. So the saddle and the nut is made out of synthetic bone. Okay, so it's not a true bone nut, it's synthetic. Still sounds very good. So I think the guitar is set up very nice. The action on the fretboard is beautiful. The strings are so close. They're not like risen really far off the fretboard at all. It's very easy to play. Guitar is staying in tune very nicely. Haven't found anything I don't like about this guitar yet. you have a lot of control over the way this thing sounds with all the tonal control functions on this. I mean, to be honest, I like the way it sounds right now, right in the middle. You'll notice right off the bat, it's got the Sitka spruce top, okay, and it's got the rosewood side. It's got a 3-piece neck on there. It's bolted on. It's supposed to make it super strong. It's supposed to take up a lot less wood, so it's saving trees, okay, which they're very proud of. All right, I think the guitar is pretty awesome. Really happy with the purchase, and I'm going to be playing a lot of songs on this thing over the next few years. Let me know what you guys think about the guitar. Have you guys ever played a Breedlove before? You know, do you like Taylor's better than them? Let me know what you think. Thanks for coming to the channel, and look forward to seeing you in the future.